Good morning, students. Students, from today, we are going to start our reader book. And in our reader book, we have our first chapter, A True Friend A3. Okay, so this is the story of a true friend. Now, students, do you know who is a true friend? A true friend is that type of friend who always stands by your side whenever you are in any problem. Means in any sort of problem, he always helps you. He always stand with you whenever you need him. Now in this story we will try to find out that who is a true friend. So let us start. Rahul and Raj were best friends studying in class 4. So whose story is this? This is the story of two friends, and what are their names? Rahul and Raj. Okay, and which type of friends were they? They were best friends. As it is written here, they were best friends. And in which class did they study? They study in class 4. So Rahul was good at sports but poor in studies. Now, which type of boy was Rahul? Rahul was good in sports, means in playing in the ground, in various activities of the ground related to sports. He was very good, but he was somewhere poor in studies. But Raj, Raj was good at both. But in comparison to Rahul, he was good at both. He was good at sports. At both means both here means both in means at sports as well as in studies. So they often had a cycling contest. Often means maximum times. Okay, maximum times you or the action that you repeats many times, that then we can say that its meaning is often. Okay, they often had a cycling contest. So which type of contest? Contest means a competition. Okay, so which type of contest did they have always? They have a cycling contest. Cycling means they have a cycle race type. So Raj always managed to win. So who wins in that competition? Who wins in that contest, in cycling contest? Raj. As it was told to you that Raj was good at both. So he always managed to win. As a result, Rahul became jealous of Raj. So what is the result of this? That Raj always wins. Rahul, he becomes jealous. See the spellings of jealous. Jealous. What is the word? Jealous. So Rahul became jealous of Raj. Now Raj always wins. He was good in studies. He was good in sports. So Rahul started feeling angry with his friend, or jealous also means getting angry with somebody or getting upset with someone. So who becomes envious, who becomes jealous, and who becomes angry with his friend? Rahul. So what happened then? The sports day was near. Now in your school we have sports day. So similarly they also have a sports day in their school, and it was near means it was going to held. Everyone was practicing for it. Practicing means they were doing their preparations, they were preparing for that sports day. Students practicing. See the spellings of practicing. Practicing is a verb, but when we have the word practice, Pratice, okay, then it becomes a noun. Next, what happens then? Rahul and Raj were very good at athletics. Now, both Rahul and Raj were very good at athletics. Rahul was determined to win. See the spellings of determined? Determined. Determined means decided. He has strongly, firmly decided. Okay, determined means firmly decided. Rahul has firmly decided that he will have to win at every cost, but he was not sure whether he could score a win over Raj. But now he has a doubt. He was not sure that whether he would be able to defeat Raj. Okay, or he could score a win over Raj. Score a win means to gain victory. Slowly, he started talking lesser and lesser with Raz. Now, what happens? Now, he was having a fear inside his mind. Okay, he was thinking that how can I beat Raz? How can I defeat Raz? So now he started talking lesser and lesser with Raz. Already he was envious of Raz. Now he left talking with Raz. Now Raz asked him the reason many times, but Rahul always put him off with one excuse or the other. So now Raj being a best friend, okay, as already told in the beginning of the lesson that they were best friends. See here it was written best friends. Now see if one of your best friend left talking with you, what will happen? You will think that why my friend is not talking to me. Similarly, Raj was also getting upset that why Rahul is not talking to me, and he tried to ask him many times, he tried to find out the reason many times, but Rahul always put him off. Put him off means put off means to cancel. Whenever he come to him and ask here Rahul what happened, but Rahul said nothing. He denied him, ignored him with one excuse or the other. So Rahul keep on making excuses and didn't tell the actual reason to his friend Raj. Now, one day before the sports day, now what happened? One day before the sports day, Rahul hit upon a plan to defeat Raj. So, what Rahul did? He thought of a hit upon means he thought of a plan that how he can defeat Raj and how he can score a victory, a win over Raj. He went to the ground. What he did? Who is he here? Rahul. As shown in the picture, you can see what he is doing. So he went to the ground where anyone had arrived, before anyone had arrived there. So what Rahul did? He went to the ground before the race, before anybody had arrived there. So he dug a small pit on the path where Raj was supposed to run. Now there were lines were drawn, as you can see in the picture. So the line or the series where Raj was supposed to run, where Raj has to run on that track, he dug a pit on that way. He covered it with leaves. Now after digging the pit, he covered it with leaves and went back to his classroom. And after doing this, after digging a pit on the path of Raj, he went back to his classroom. When the race started, Raj was ahead of Rahul. Ahead of means in front of. Ahead of means in front of. Now when the race started, Raj was ahead of Rahul. As it was told earlier that Raj was good at both sports as well as studies. And as the race started, Raj was ahead of Rahul. He was running in front of Rahul. But after some time, Raj stepped on the pit. Now what happened after some time? Raj stepped. As Raj put his feet on that pit, he fell down. He was seriously injured. He get wounded and fell down, and so he lost the race. Rahul took him. Overtook means he moved ahead of him. And he was very happy as his plan had worked and he had won the first prize. Now Rahul, who was he here? Rahul, he became very happy as the plan that he had done, because he had dug a pit on the path of Raj and his plan had worked well. Raj has fallen down and he lost the trophy, and who wins then? Rahul. So he had won the first prize now. Rahul took the trophy home. Now he went back home. He took his trophy with him. His parents were also very happy. Now his parents were also feeling happy with him. His friends were proud of him. His friends were also feeling happy for him that Rahul has won the prize. But now Rahul was not happy. But what happened? Rahul himself was not happy. He started feeling that he didn't deserve the trophy as he had cheated and had hurt his best friend. So, what he started feeling now? that he didn't deserve that trophy. Means the trophy doesn't belongs to him. Why? Because he had earned that trophy by cheating his best friend. He could not sleep properly. Now this thought, this guilt, he didn't let him sleep properly that night. Next morning, he went to the principal's room. Now next morning, he got up and go to the school and went into the principal's room. He opened the door and said, now he opened the door of principal's room and said, "Excuse me, sir, could I speak to you for a while?" So he spoke to the principal. "Excuse me, sir." He took their permission. "Could I speak to you for a while?" So students, up to here, today we will read the story up to here. Okay, now what's your homework? You will have to read this story again and underline the typical words, and if you have time, you read the whole lesson and find out what happens next. So that's all for today. Thank you.